Indian Overseas Bank employees raise concerns over staff shortage, long working hours, and growing target pressure. Indian Overseas Bank employees have raised concerns over staff shortage, extended working hours, and increasing target pressure at branch level. They questioned how productivity can be sustained after 12-hour workdays, while also highlighting concerns related to leave approvals, expense reimbursement, and work life balance. Indian bank officers raised concerns over transfer transparency. RTI filed seeking details of transfer exercise. Transfer related concerns have also surfaced in Indian Bank, where officers have reportedly sought greater transparency in the transfer process. An RTI application has been filed seeking details regarding the recent transfer exercise and the criteria adopted for employee postings. AIBOMEF seeks urgent recruitment, flags staff shortage and employee stress concerns. The All India Bank of Maharashtra Employees Federation has called for urgent recruitment to address staff shortages across the Bank of Maharashtra. The federation has also highlighted concerns regarding employee stress, workload, and operational challenges arising from manpower constraints. AIIBOA seeks intervention over Tirunelveli zone transfers. Officers raise concerns on business target pressure. The All India Indian Bank Officers Association has sought intervention regarding transfer related issues in Indian Bank's Tirunelveli zone. Officers have also raised concerns about business targets, workload management, and employee welfare. IDBI Bank privatization. Rajya Sabha MP John Brittas urges centre to reconsider. The debate over IDBI Bank privatization continued this week after Rajya Sabha MP John Brittas urged the central government to reconsider the proposed strategic sale of the bank. The issue remains a significant topic of discussion among banking employees and policymakers. SBI plans major HR overhaul to address employee burnout and workplace stress. State Bank of India is reportedly planning a major human resources overhaul aimed at addressing employee burnout, workplace stress, and work life balance concerns. The proposed initiatives are expected to focus on employee welfare and organizational effectiveness. AIUBA writes to Union Bank MD on employee happiness, links workforce well-being to shareholder value. The All India Union Bank Employees Association has written to the Managing Director of Union Bank of India, highlighting the importance of employee happiness and workforce well-being. The association has urged that employee satisfaction contributes directly to productivity, customer service, and shareholder value. We are being ignored despite family and medical hardships. Gujarat Gramin Bank employees claim nearly 1,000 staff affected by transfers. Employees of Gujarat Gramin Bank have raised concerns over recent transfer orders, alleging that nearly 1,000 employees have been affected. Staff members claim that family responsibilities, medical conditions, and humanitarian considerations have not been adequately taken into account during the transfer exercise. Odisha Gramin Bank SC/ST Employees Council seek intervention over transfer policy and representation issues. The Odisha Gramin Bank SC/ST Employees Council has sought intervention regarding transfer policies and representation related issues within the bank. The organization has raised concerns over employee postings and broader representation matters affecting staff members.